Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. It is Friday. It is 11 o'clock. We are out and about. I've been up since like 7:30. Once the girls left to go to school, I was like, I already know what today's gonna entail. Let me get up and let me be productive because I feel like I haven't been as productive as I have liked to be within the last couple of days. I already started my home decor shopping. Why not finish it? Actually went to the Dollar General because I needed to do some laundry and I need some detergent. So as I'm browsing through, just getting my detergent, why I come across the whole decor aisle. You know I didn't just go in to get some detergent, right? Dollar General is where it's at, y'all. They had everything except the actual tray that I'm looking for. Literally went in for detergent and I left out with a whole bag of stuff. I'll show you guys when I get home. But right now, I'm in Big Lots parking lot because the tray is my main thing that I need so that I can make the centerpiece. I also am looking for, what the hell am I looking for? Here I go with that CRS, can't remember it. I'm looking for a blanket, like a throw blanket for the living room, and possibly some pillows to break up the color scheme. If you guys don't know, my living room right now is like teal and gray. I'm tired of it. Like, it gotta go. I get tired of things very quickly. Right now, that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna go back home. We're gonna reorganize. We're gonna declutter. And we're gonna redecorate. Y'all know Shells be doing this DIY thing. So I love doing little DIY projects. Like, the older I'm getting, my interests for things have definitely changed. As I was growing up, my grandmother, my mom, always, no matter what holiday it was, they was always cooking and always decorating. My grandma always had a beautiful centerpiece and she just always made it beautiful for us as we were growing up. So I feel like it's only right that I do the same thing for my kids. It just makes them feel like a kid and just builds memories with them. I'm talking too much. This is what we're doing for today. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let's go in Big Lots. Let's see what they got. I don't see a cart. I said I wasn't gonna get a cart, but I need a cart because I know I'm gonna get more than what I said I was gonna come in for. So who are you? Can you turn around so we can see your cool tail this way? Are you a shark? Oh, yeah! Cool. I'm scared. Y'all, I am so freaking excited right now. I went to Big Lots. They didn't really have much of anything. I was just like on a go, so I was like, let me not even record this. I wound up going to Five Below. I got a few things from there. Walmart. And the last store I went to was Marshall's, and I found the tray, y'all. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna do a quick little haul with you guys, and we're gonna get busy. I went to Marshall's. I was able to find this. It's not as low as I wanted it to be, but this is really pretty. I paid $12.99 for this, and this is really good quality. The pillow I got from Big Lots is really nice. It's giving fall vibes, but along the pattern, it also has gray. As you guys can tell, I have a gray couch. I also picked up a white one. This is a tiny one, just to add some, you know, whatever color to it. I was able to find a beautiful, like, plush throw blanket. It's super soft, very luxurious. I paid $15 for this at Marshall's. I got these really cute pumpkins. I got these from Dollar Tree. So cute. Love it because of the, no, I'm lying. I got these from Big Lots. No, this is for mommy. I got some sheer panels. I wanted to swap the teal out, so I got these from Walmart. I'm not gonna lie, I was stupid. Like, I couldn't help myself, and I'm like, I forgot what I bought already, like, last week, and I'm just like, whatever, just put it in the cart. Some kitchen towels, and I got, like, this little wreath. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but we're gonna make it work. I just felt like it was definitely something I can play around with. I knew I had to get candles. I didn't get crazy with the candles, but I did get a few. And then I got this cute little, I don't know what you call this. It's like a little vase thing. It says thankful, and I'm gonna try to put some little fake flowers in it. So basically, I'm gonna just focus on the living room right now, and then we're gonna focus on the kitchen if I get to it. Right now, I have like the teal theme in here. I have this over here, and then of course, I have the pictures over here. I didn't get a picture for where it says love at. I definitely want to swap that out. These are the pillows that I have. So we're gonna swap this out. And of course, I have a gray couch. Don't mind the mess. First things first, I gotta clean this up. This morning, to be exact, I threw out so many of Justice's toys. Like, it's ridiculous at this point. And you guys know I say it all the time, but somehow, some way, he just gets more toys. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with all these toys. And this damn bike, I don't even use it. It looked like I bought a lot of stuff, which I did. But I was definitely budgeting myself because I feel like you don't need to spend a lot of money to make something look beautiful. Less is best. Like I said, if you're on a budget and you are looking to just spice up your house, your apartment, whatever the case, I highly recommend going to the dollar stores, Dollar General, Dollar Tree. 10 out of 10 recommend. I'm telling you, the more simple it is, the better it looks. I looked at all my receipts, everything was a little over $100. So that is definitely the range that I'm always trying to stick to, especially when I'm doing like little decor projects because we're constantly changing. So I'm proud of myself for that because you can lose sight of your budget when you're in the store. So yeah, everything came out to like $100, but I'm pretty sure some of you guys already know about this, but if you don't, I'm gonna tell you. You can download this app on your phone. It's called Fetch Rewards, right? Every time you buy something at the store, don't throw your receipts away. Every time you buy something at the store, you scan it. You literally build points. And after, I think 1,000 points is $1, something like that. And they give you like recommendations of different things that you buy that will give you like the most points. If you refer a friend, you get more points. As you shop and accumulate receipts and spend, you get a certain amount of points and it turns into money. I think they give you like a gift card or something like that, but you could use it at Amazon, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts. Like there's a whole bunch of stores. So don't throw your receipts out and don't think that you're losing because you're gonna get your money back. Fetch Reward, y'all. First things first, I'm gonna clear all this out. I should change my shirt because it's getting hot. I'm not gonna talk a lot. I'm probably it's just gonna be like a visual thing, but just sit back and watch. Watch your girl do her thing.
Don't move out of my house, call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your pivot, I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your pivot, I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on a long road, no self-destruction. You were so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. We on a long road to self-destruction. You were so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea.
myself.